Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rahul and today I'll be showing you how to make a radio streaming skill using a free template from dabblelab.com. So if you're not familiar with DabbleLab templates, then please check out our GitHub repo. We have a lot of free templates which you can make use of and build skills without paying us any money. So yeah, let's go ahead and check out the template that we'll be exploring today. So to do that, let's first go to the Alexa developer console. And in the Alexa developer console, we need to create a new skill. This skill, I'll name it Dabble Radio since it's a radio skill example. I'll select English US from here, but feel free to select any English language. And the backend would be Alexa hosted Python, and click on Create Skill. Now on this page, we'll need to import the skill code from our GitHub. So let's go ahead. Let's go to GitHub and find the code. So this is our GitHub repository. If you're not familiar with it, github.com/dabblelab. Over here, you can find all of our skill templates. And the one we are going to be using today is this one. The audio streaming template example for Python. And I'll go ahead and copy the URL from here, go back to the page and paste the URL right there. Once you've done this, it'll take a minute or two to complete the process. And while it's being done, I'll talk you through what's happening in the skill. So in the skill code, what we've basically done is we've taken a small metadata and put it at the top of the skill code, which you can find and edit straight away with your radio streaming details like the URL, the name of the radio station, your images for your radio station and all of that. And once you change all of that info and deploy the skill code, you're good to go and your skill will be up and running. It can also be published in the market straight away, and it's completely production ready. So if you're looking to publish this for for people around the world to use it, then feel free to do so. Just one important thing in the interaction model that I want to show you is go to the interface, and over here you'll see that we're using the audio player interface. So since you're using the template, this is automatically toggled on, but if you're building a skill from scratch and not using a template, then make sure you go ahead to the interfaces and toggle this on. Apart from this, there are a lot of intents over here, and most of these intents are built-in intents that we are required to use, and I'll explain that in a bit. Now let's go to the code section and see what other changes that you'll need to make in order to for the skill to function. Also, before we do that, let's go back over here and click on the invocation name. So you'll see here the invocation name says change me. So I'll quickly change this to Dabble Radio, and you can give it any name, basically the name of your radio station. Alright, while that is being built, let's go ahead and have a look at the code. So in the code, as I told you, this is the audio metadata section, which contains all the data related to the stream. The first thing over here is the URL. Replace this URL with the URL of your stream, and that can be any MP3 URL, or as this is an M3U URL, which is a continuous stream URL. So you can use any of those extensions and host it anywhere on the cloud, and just use that link directly for the playback. Apart from the URL, you need to change the title over here, because the skill fetches the title from this place in the metadata. So just change this title to whatever the name of your radio station is, and if you have a subtitle for your radio station, then give it an apt subtitle. Apart from this, if you want your skill to look good on the screen-based devices, then you can give it an album art which is of the size 512 into 512 pixels, and also a background image which is of the size 1200 cross 800 pixels. And when you provide this, Alexa will automatically modify these images and make it best suitable for viewing on all the screen based devices. So if you are just looking to build the skill and not make any major updations to it, so this is all you need to do. And once you click on the deploy button here, and the process of deployment gets completed, you can simply go ahead and test out your skill and fill up all the certification information and submit it for certification. There's just one important thing that I want you to to walk you through, and which is the unhandled features intent. So as I told you before, this stream uses a continuous 24-hour stream URL. Which means that while you're pausing the skill, it doesn't make any sense to save the stream data and all of that. And similarly, other intents like loop on, loop off, next, previous, all of them don't make any sense because it's a single stream and it's not a series of episodes or something that you can traverse along. So for those reasons, we are not supporting all of these intents. But still, when you try and get your skill certified, the Amazon certification team will reject your skill if you have not handled all of these intents gracefully. So in order to do that, what we have done is we've combined all of these intents into one single intent, and the response is a generic unhandled response which says sorry, but this feature is currently not supported. So by doing this, we are handling everything in a in a good manner, and it also helps us pass the certification test. Now we won't be able to see the working of this skill in the simulator because the simulator does not support the audio player interface. But I'll just show you what happens when we I'll say open Dabble Radio, and I'll just show you the JSON input and JSON output.
Starting
so
Dabble Radio.
Here, it shows an error here, unsupported directive. So if I actually run this on an actual Alexa device, then it will run pretty fine, and you can test it out on your end as well. So yeah, for some reason I'm not able to see the JSON input and output, but we can leave that aside. That was all that I wanted to show you in this video, and you can go ahead and build your own radio station using the template. All the links for the template and other audio player documentation are included in the description of this video. If you enjoyed watching this, then make sure you like the video, and if you're new and you have not subscribed to the channel yet, then please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get all the notifications from us as soon as we roll out a new video. That's all from this session from my side. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.